we are going to see swap two numbers without using third variable in Python. Earlier we have seen how to swap two numbers using third variable. So swapping means we are going to exchange value of variables. So two variables will be there. For example, there will be a variable. A is containing 100 and B is containing 200. The final result will be A will contain 200 and B will contain 100. So earlier we have seen how to solve using third variable. So here we are going to see how to solve without using third variable. So now for that, first we will take two input values from user. A is equal to int input, enter a number. B we will take enter second number. Here we will take first number, enter first number and enter second number. So once we got these numbers, we need to do swapping. So for this we are not going to use third variable. So for that we need to use some logic. For example, for that what we will do, A is equal to, first we will do A plus B. So that, for example, we have entered here A as 100 and B as 200. So now A plus B, what will be the value? A plus B means it will be 300. A plus B means A is now, it will contain 300, right? So now what I want in B, I want 100. So how I will get 100? So if I do A minus B, then I will get 100. So now I want in B 100. So 100 is whose value it is? It is A's value. So for that what I will do, now A is containing 300. Now A minus B. So now A minus B, what is the value for A minus B? A minus B means 300 minus 200. So it will now contain 100. Means now we got A's value in B. Now next what we want, so now A is containing 300, but now what I want in A I want 200, which is B's value. So how I will get that value? So if I subtract A's value, that is from A value, that is 300 minus B. Now B is containing 100, right? So now with that I will get B's value in A. So now what is this subtraction? 300 minus, now B is containing 100, so that's why here it will be 100. So I will get here 200, right? So means now what is the final result? So first I got here A as 100 and B as 200. Now I have swapped these two using this logic. So first I have added A plus B, then subsequent subtraction I have done to get numbers. So now here we will print using f string before swapping A is A, B is B. So now, and after swapping also we will check. So now in this way we have done. So now we will run this program. to run program on command line, you have to use python and name of the file is test.py. So first number I will enter here 100, then 200. So now before swapping a is 100 and b is 200, after swapping a is 200 and b is 100, right? So now one more time we will run this program. So I will give here 18 4. So now before swapping a is 18, b is 4, and after swapping a is 4, b is 18, right? So in this way we can swap these two numbers without using third variable. So this simple logic you have to remember.